How did judicial review evolve in federal courts? Imagine a legal system where courts have the power to determine whether laws passed by the legislature or actions taken by the executive align with the Constitution. This authority is known as judicial review, and its development in federal courts has shaped the balance of power within the United States government. The journey of judicial review began in the early 19th century and has been marked by landmark cases and evolving legal principles. The concept of judicial review was not explicitly stated in the United States Constitution but was inferred from the structure and language of the document. The first significant assertion of this power came from the Supreme Court in the case of Marbury versus Madison in 1833. In this case, William Marbury petitioned the court for a writ of mandamus to compel the delivery of his commission as a justice of the peace. Chief Justice John Marshall delivered the opinion of the court, establishing that it was within the authority of the judiciary to review laws and determine their constitutionality. This decision set a precedent that would influence the role of courts across the nation. Following Marbury versus Madison, the principle of judicial review was gradually accepted and reinforced through subsequent rulings. Courts began to scrutinize laws and executive actions, striking down those that conflicted with the Constitution. During the 19th century, the scope of judicial review expanded as courts addressed issues related to states' rights, economic regulation, and civil rights. Notably, in cases like Gibbons versus Ogden, the Supreme Court used judicial review to uphold federal authority over interstate commerce, reinforcing the court's role as a guardian of constitutional principles. Throughout the 20th century, judicial review became a vital tool for shaping social policy and protecting individual rights. Landmark decisions such as Brown versus Board of Education in 1854 challenged segregation and advanced civil rights, illustrating the court's ability to influence societal change. Over time, the judiciary's power to review legislation and executive actions became firmly established as a core function of the federal courts. In summary, judicial review in federal courts evolved from an implied authority articulated in a single landmark case to a fundamental aspect of American constitutional law. Its development reflects the court's role in maintaining the supremacy of the Constitution and ensuring that all branches of government operate within their constitutional limits.